This fruit can boost a woman's sex drive and give better orgasms. A study revealed that apples can boost sex drives in women and help them to have better orgasms. And the research, which focused on women aged between 18 to 43, found that eating an apple a day can do more for you than just keep the doctor away. According to the studies, women who have at least one apple every day have hotter sex than those who do not. An apple a day does far more than just keep the doctor away, according to this sex duty. The researchers who published their findings in the Archives of Gynecology and Obstetrics Journal studied the specific impact apples can have on women's sex drives. Studies suggest that apples get their libido-boosting powers from naturally occurring enzymes which mimic estradiol, the female sex hormone. They also contain antioxidants and chemicals which help to increase blood flow to the vagina and therefore make it easier for women to orgasm. Apples may help women have better orgasms because of the natural chemicals they contain. The studies suggest a potential relationship between regular daily apple consumption and better sexuality in young women population. The ones who ate at least an apple every day can enjoy their sexual life.